Chennai, local trains operated from two major railway hubs, Chennai Central More Market Complex and Chennai Beach Railway Station. From Chennai Central Station, trains operated to suburban areas like Thiruvallur, Arakonam, Thirthani route and Gumudi-Pundi Sulurpeta route. Chennai Beach Station started its service from 1930s. From Chennai Beach Station, trains operated to suburban areas like Tambaram Chengalpattu route, Arakonam Thirthani route and in Gumudi-Pundi Sulurpeta route. Also, there is a separate route for Chennai Beach to Velachery. Most part of the distance in this route is covered in elevated track. This is India's first elevated rail route, started in 1997. In Tamil, people call it as Parakkum Rail, meaning flying train. This route covers the major places in Chennai near the coastal part of city. Some of the major railway stations in this route are Parktown, Chepauk, Triplicane, Mylapore, Thiruvanmiyur and Velachery. In the peak hours in morning and evening, trains operated every 10 minutes and during non-peak hours, trains operated every 20 minutes. Now we'll see the details of railway stations of Chennai Beach to Velachery train route along with the important places located near the stations. Chennai Beach Railway Station, Chennai Seaport, Chennai High Court, various wholesale markets located near Chennai Beach Railway Station. Chennai Fort Railway Station. Next railway station, Chennai Fort. As the name tells, Chennai St. George Fort located near this station. Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly operated inside this fort. Parktown Railway Station. Parktown Railway Station acts as a connecting station for passengers who travel to Chennai Central Railway Station. Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital located near this railway station. Madras Medical College and Medical College hostels located near this station. This medical college is built in the place where old Central Jail was located earlier. Chindadripet Railway Station. Mount Road, Omondurar Government Hospital, Chindadripet Fish Market are the major places located near Chindadripet Railway Station. Chennai Island Ground, Gymkhana Club and Chennai TV station also located near this railway station. Chepauk Railway Station. People who wish to visit former Chief Minister's memorial like Annadurai, MGR, Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi's memorial should get down at Chepauk Railway Station. This memorial is located 10 minutes walkable from railway station. Famous Chepauk Cricket Stadium located near this station. Also, Kalaivanar Arangam, a new auditorium located near this railway station. Triplicane or Trivilikeni railway station. Triplicane railway station is very close to Marina Beach. People who wish to visit Marina Beach should get down at this railway station. Also famous Triplicane Parthasarathi temple located near this station. Lighthouse Railway Station. Next to Triplicane is Lighthouse Railway Station. Police DGP office, Marina Beach Lighthouse located near this railway station. Mundagakanniamman Railway Station. Mundagakanniamman Railway Station located in between Lighthouse and Mylapore Railway Station. Famous Mundagakanniamman temple located near this railway station. Mylapore Railway Station. Mylapore is one of the important places in Chennai. Famous Kabalishwarar Shiva temple, Sai Baba temple located near this railway station. Mandaivali Railway Station. Mandaivali is one of the major places in Chennai, located next to Mylapore. Greenways Road Railway Station. Next to Mandaivali Railway Station is Greenways Road Railway Station. This station located near Adyar River. We can see the beautiful view of Adyar River from the train. Kotturapuram Railway Station. Kotturapuram Railway Station is a small station located after Adayar River. Kasturba Nagar Railway Station. Kasturba Nagar Railway Station is one of the important railway stations in this route. This station located near Madhya Kailash Temple, Adayar. IIT Madras, Anna University, Adayar Cancer Hospital, Gindi Children's Park, Gindi Planetarium are the major places located near this railway station. Indira Nagar Railway Station. Indira Nagar Railway Station located in between Kasturba Nagar Railway Station and Thiruvanmayur Railway Station. Institute of Textile Technology located near this railway station. Thiruvanmayur Railway Station. Thiruvanmayur Railway Station, one of the major railway stations in this route. Title IT Park, Ramanujam IT Park, Thiruvanmayur Bus Stand located near this railway station. People who want to travel further in OMR Road and ECR Road needs to get down at Thiruvanmayur Railway Station. Tharamani Railway Station. Tharamani Railway Station busy only in peak hours. RMZ IT Park, American International School located near this railway station. Perungudi Railway Station. Perungudi Railway Station is a small station located before Velachery Railway Station. Some of the major IT companies located near Perungudi Railway Station. Velachery Railway Station. Velachery is one of the important places in Chennai. Phoenix Mall, Guru Nanak College and major IT companies located near Velachery. There is a proposal to connect Velachery railway station to St. Thomas Mount railway station.